Finally, the night train.
A long ride ahead. So you're saying this trip will take all night?
Yes, the whole night. But tomorrow morning, we'll be there.
That's true. We travel while we sleep.
In other words, we don't waste the day.
Exactly. We save the day for our trip. Do you often take trains at night?
Not really. Only once or twice before.
Oh, so most of the time you travel in the daytime.
Yes, daytime trains. Then I can see the views.
Trees, houses, people outside the window?
Yes, those things. But at night, the window is only dark.
Let me check. You mean outside is just black? Nothing to see?
Yes, only black. Just the sound of the train.
The sound is heavy but steady. Boom, 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 boom. Always the same. Wait a second. You have two phones in your hand?
Two phones?
Yes. This big one is new, and this small one is old. Old, so you don't use it anymore, but you still carry it. That's right. I don't use it, but I keep it. But why? Why bring the old one if you have the new one? I thought it was nothing. Just an extra thing.
Let me see. If it was nothing, you wouldn't carry it, right?
Well, maybe not nothing. It has photos inside.
Photos? Old photos? From the past?
Yes, old photos and messages, too.
Oh, so it's like a little memory box.
Exactly. A memory box full of my past.
So, what's the first photo you want to show me?
This one.
Look, it's the sea. The sun is going down. A sunset.
Oh, a sunset by the sea.
Yes, by the sea. I took it during a trip with my friends. A trip with friends. So, you're saying this is from a holiday? Exactly. We went to the coast. It was summer, maybe 5 years ago. 5 years ago? That feels like a long time. Yes, a long time. But when I look at this photo, it feels close again.
In other words, the photo brings the moment back?
Yes, the photo brings it back. The sound of the waves, the smell of the air.
The smell of the air? You mean the salty sea air?
Yes, the salty air, strong and fresh. And the colors. The sky looks orange, right?
Orange and a little pink. The sky was like a painting.
So you're saying nature was more beautiful than any photo?
Exactly. The photo is nice, but the real view was stronger.
Who were you with?
With 3 friends from university. We laughed a lot that day.
Oh, so this photo is not only about the sea, it's about friendship too.
Yes, friendship too. We were young and we felt free. Let me check.
You keep this photo not just for the sunset, but for the feeling.
Yes, for the feeling. The photo reminds me of freedom.
Freedom. That's powerful. Do you miss those days?
A little. I miss the people. I miss the simple time.
But you still have the memory. The phone keeps it safe.
Yes, the phone keeps it safe, like a box holding a piece of my life.
That's nice. A small phone, but full of big stories.
Yes, small phone, big stories. So, what's the next photo?
This